Would you like to have a long distance relationship?
I have had a long distance relationship. Trust me, it's not worth it. Uh, Again, there are two opinions. People who have already been in relationships initially, e- together, and then continuing that long distance. I think that works out. But starting from a long distance, I don't think that works out. Not for me, at least. It's my experience.
What about you?
No, I think long distance would work if you have been in a relationship for first 1-2 years of your life together in a one place. Afterwards, having a long distance is a different thing altogether. But from the get go, long distance is not a good idea at all.
So what do you think is the disadvantage of long distance?
Space, you get a lot of space. Yeah, that is one advantage. I don't think otherwise there is.
Disadvantage.
Disadvantage, you are asking. Disadvantage is the person is not always around and not reachable to you. Also the physical touch, I think, personally, or human touch is something that you crave, right? With your partners, with your people. I think any kind of relationship fades a little bit with distance. I don't think heart grows fonder with distance. I don't think.
I think attending social events with your friends gets very lonely when you are in a long distance relationship. Then, if you want to do something together, cafe hopping, movie watching, it gets very lonely. So, if you have a best friend like this, then it's not an issue. But I think long distance will not work in a long time if you are a very needy person, if you constantly need assurance, if you like being around your person, then I think then long distance is not working.
So my second question: would you like to date your colleague at work? Ethnic.
No, not at all.
Not at
I work at school. I don't think I can date anyone around there.
Okay, so how about
No.
no? Why? What is the disadvantage of dating colleague?
Majority, just because of my work profession, I work in a field where it is majoritarily dominated by women, and men who are available are married with kids. That is a very like uncharted territory which I do not want to venture into.
What about if the men are single? What about if you see single person or he look attractive, you like the person, so would you like to date him?
If I would have been bisexual, I would have went for it, but unfortunately, I'm straight. So
So what is the disadvantage of dating your colleague?
Work colleague. I don't think it's about disadvantage. It's just about my preference that I'm a student therapist as well in school. I